There we go. Here I go,
Look
Chef
at
Jimmy.
that. Ooh, ooh. Oh, beautiful. That is delicious. Wow. Gourmet chefs, welcome back to the kitchen. Wow, we have had so much fun with you guys cooking all of these awesome recipes.
Yeah, we've made some really great things, and so today we are going to be making peanut butter popcorn.
Oh, that sounds so good,
it's so good.
Yum. So let's go ahead and get started. So you're gonna watch this video and then do it on your own.
So the first step we know is gonna be the most important. And so we're gonna wash our hands with warm water and soap for 20 seconds.
That's right.
If you're feeling fancy, you can go for 30, but we're gonna make sure to dry those nice and dry before we get started.
That's right. After you have washed your hands, you're gonna go ahead and pop the popcorn in the microwave. Make sure you don't burn that popcorn, so keep a close eye on it.
I know, I'm bad at that, so I have to pay close attention. But you'll see that we've already popped our popcorn for this video with you today. So after that, we're gonna go ahead and take our popped popcorn and we're gonna find all those little kernels, you know, the ones that didn't get popped. It's kind of like a little scavenger hunt, you know, Easter egg hunt, but we get to do it all summer long. So we're gonna find those kernels.
I can't find them.
Oh, there's one.
Oop, there we go.
Throw it out.
There we go.
You don't need it. Just kidding, don't throw it on the floor.
There we go.
Don't think your parents will like that.
Shh, don't tell them. So after you go ahead and pick out all of those kernels, we're gonna go ahead and get started on our sauce. So to start with the sauce, you're gonna grab half a cup of honey and 1/3 a cup of brown sugar. You're gonna go ahead and turn on your stovetop. Then you're gonna pour it in there. Look at this, pour that honey in there.
That's perfect. I'm gonna dump this brown sugar in.
Oh, look at that.
It's looking
So
nice
you are gonna want it
and
to get to
clean.
a nice simmer.
So Chef Jimmy, a simmer is just, it's a fancy word for saying pretty warm. We want it on like a medium to low heat. So not too hot, not too crazy. We don't want it boiling over.
Oh, look at that.
That is looking good.
It's smelling so good.
That's perfect. Well, chefs, make sure you are asking your parents for help. I know the stove is very hot, so we want to make sure we're staying nice and safe.
That's right. So once it's at a nice simmer, you're gonna go ahead and turn off your heat.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, look at that. And then you're gonna add your peanut butter. Chef Christian, can you go ahead and
I'm gonna pass this over to you.
Put that peanut butter, you can go ahead and just dump it right in there.
Might need some help.
Pour that
that
right
is
in there. Look at that.
So chefs out there, if you have an allergy, try using some nut-free butter. It tastes so good. You're gonna love it.
Look at that. So once that peanut butter is in there, you're gonna keep on stirring. Oh, look at that.
I love this. Well, Chef Jimmy, I know we have gotten to do some new things this week. This is a new recipe for me, like I mentioned, and so I just love that we get to come together as chefs, whether you're here or at home, and we just get to try new things.
That's one of my favorite things to do is just try new recipes. Anything you want, you get to put in it.
Some things turn out great, some things not so great, but we just get to come and try new things and learn new skills. And so
we have one last thing. If you want to go ahead and add the vanilla, it's going to give it that nice little just taste right there. That's right. Oh, look at that. Oh, beautiful. Look at that. Oh, it smells so good. I think it's ready to pour over our popcorn.
I think we're ready. All right, so I'll hold it if you want to pour.
Make sure you are very careful with this step because the pan is very, very hot. Make sure to use your parents' help right here. Oh, look at that.
Nice.
Oh, look at that. Get all
That's a nice technique
that peanut butter and that honey and sugar. Oh, it looks so good.
Wait. You're gonna love this so much. It smells so good.
It smells amazing.
I feel like I'm in a candy shop.
Oh, yes.
That is beautiful.
So once you get all that in there, you wanna stir it up. Make sure you don't use your hands because it is very, very hot. So you're gonna wanna stir that up right there.
This is looking great. So like we said, we can take this and watch a movie later. I could eat it out of the park. I just can't wait. This is gonna be a perfect snack to take wherever I go. It's perfect.
Once you have done that, you're gonna wanna let it cool for about 10 minutes. Now it is your turn. Go ahead and grab your activity cards and ingredients, and now it's time for you to be the chef.
I know y'all are going to have so much fun with this, and remember, before you go and start getting started, to ask an adult for help. We wanna make sure we're staying as safe as possible with our stovetop today. So go find you an adult.
That's right, and don't forget to clean up your area when you are finished. And after camp today, like we said, this is gonna be an awesome snack to have with maybe a movie night or just hanging out with your parents or your friends or anything like that. I hope you've learned something new, some new recipes, and found some new tasty snacks to try in the future.
Remember to have fun with the cooking, try new things, and you are now officially a gourmet chef.
That is right, guys. Thanks so much for hanging out with us. Bye, guys.
Bye.